Alright, we're back on this H22 heads. This video show you how to install using this tools right here. Got it online. It's like 25 bucks Canadian. You can make your own, but I don't want to spend that much time to get all my tools and cut it and then thread it. But spend 25 bucks, show you how to use this. Some people probably know how, seen this before, but I'm gonna make a video anyways. I got all the valve stem seals installed already. I polish like the intake and the exhaust side, and I uh, reseal, regap the valves. So it's all good. Everything is all good now. Now it's time to put the springs. All right, let's start with this side here. Drop it in there. This kind of like, this is just a compress the spring in this tool. So I just do a hand tight. You don't want to go crazy with the tightness on this bolt. That's good. It's not gonna go anywhere. Then this is the main thing here, is this piece right here. I seen one this online that they just use like a sockets, and then they just cut it halfway here, have a window for you to put the keepers in here. So I'm gonna adjust the camera and show you what's on this side. Okay, make sure the bolt is all the way up. This is a tight fit to put this piece in here. Make sure the spring is straight. Like that. And make sure you can see the tip of the valve is you can see on coming out of that hole in the middle. I'll use this little hook here instead of using my finger to guide it, and then start spinning the bolt. And you can see it's pressing down that spring. I'll just use a 18mm on the head of this bolt and spin it. And make sure that check the bottom of the valves if it's pushing out or going in. And by the feel of the bottom of the valves here, the valves is pushing out, so it means that I'm pushing the valves out with the spring. So I have to readjust. There we go. There you go. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. There, I'm gonna put some light. Yeah, this is the tip of the valve right there. That's what we want. So just keep spinning the bolt. And then let's put the keepers in. 2 keepers. So this, I recommend to use a magnet, a screwdriver magnetic or something. because you don't want to drop and lose one of these things. It's like doing a surgery. You need like a small little tools and you have to be precise. It's not staying. Okay, I'm gonna just pause this. I'm trying to get this 2 keepers in there, and then I'll show you how it look. All right, I got it pretty much lined up in there. So I'm gonna take out the tension of the spring. I'm gonna back up this bolt, and you could it will readjust the keepers in. There you go. Gonna take out this hold down bolts on both sides. And then grab like a soft rubber mallet, and then just tap here. It would readjust. It would reseat the keepers into the groove of the tip of the valve stem. Okay, so just couple tap like with your hand, just like that. That would press the spring a little bit more, and then press the valve, and it would readjust the keepers, seated right perfect to the seats. That's it. So, and then I have lots of stuff to do, and this is only the one side on the intake, and we'll do more, 16 of them. I did this one already here. I don't know if you can see it. I did this one already. This 2 right here, and then just need one more here, and the rest. That's it, guys. We'll move on to the next video. That would be the next video would be putting into the block.